why if it isn't D? Aren't you feeling a little crispy today? And if it isn't little Ms. Popular herself, P. Pretty soon, J here will feel right at home in Flatland. Let's smooth out V into a U. And maybe something special for K. Well, that was fun. Now it's time to start smashing. Wow, who knew aliens were so stretchy? Why don't we pound them up, just like mochi? Now we've got a batch of new slime to play with.
Wow.
Oh, don't worry. We can blow them back up, too. Hey, F, you got any chips to spare? This little dentist C toy can chew up the food for you. Or maybe he wants a snack. Looks like his eyes are bigger than his mouth. Sort of.
Ew.
Oh, you've got a little something in your teeth there. That's much better. Let's add some mouthwash. Now it's time for a good brushing. Good boy, C. You've earned yourself a little treat. You could eat that, or we could try out your new grinder. Something tells me that wasn't an orange. What else can we grind up? A sock? Why not? Orange and blue go great together. See? Wait, see? Well, see ya. What more colors do you want? Whatever it used to be, it's spaghetti now. Wow! The sky just laid an egg! What's inside? A baby chick. Well, that seems normal enough. At least until you give her a good stretch. Marshmallow chicks have nothing on you. Ooh, she laid an egg. Wow. Anyone want breakfast? Well, time to get cracking. What, are you adding salt to taste? Now, let's heat things up. Give it a stretch. Who says you can't play with your food? Let's play a game. Customize some sprunky friends. They're cute, but they could use some faces. Just add water. Maybe we should just draw them on. Kind of blank, but to each his own. Maybe get these guys a towel or something. Gray looks sleepy. Wake up! The sun is shining! Why don't you let the light inside you? Here's a little something to wash it down with. I think someone needs a quick shave. This is why I said quick, not good. Either way, keep digging. Here comes the sun. Ooh, who knew the sun was so absorbent? Careful, don't squish his face too hard. Warren's feeling lighter than air these days. You probably should have covered those spikes. Hey, the confetti! There's something inside. A marker? Let's add some color to this tape. Now throw on some sprinkles. Is that clear? Hey, what are you chewing? Is that clay? Wait a minute, it's our old pal Sky. Well, rainbows always go with sky. And so does a whole lot of air. Who turned off the lights? Darnold? Aw, gotta This should help. More importantly, we've got crafting supplies. Run this needle through the glue and around the balloon. Give it a quick pop, and the yarn should stay in place. Add eyes and a bow, and it's Pinky. And look, she really lights up a room. Dirtle's got a good head on his shoulders, but he won't be standing tall for long. Maybe we should start from scratch. Like our purple Dirtle paper doll. Sprunkies, like onions, come in layers. Rolling your eyes? Well, I thought it was funny. Mr. Tree's here for a pruning, and just in time. To be fair, I guess a worm's gotta eat too. And you've got all sorts of stuff in your leaves. We'll put this bag to better use. Fill it with paint. Add clucker on top and squeeze those pores. Ooh, an apple! It's filled with slime! Aw, I was hoping for a worm. Either way, let's slice up a cucumber. It's got slime too, and it's pink. Add some glue and keep on mixing. Now wrap it up with double-sided tape. Let's put a happy face on things. And we've got Pinky. Chocolate ice cream. Uh-oh. Okay, that's impressive, but I still wouldn't eat it. Doggy's got what you need. Some paper. Cut it up and roll it into a cone. Add a straw right at the bottom. Now fill it up with plastic wrap. Next, blow it up like a great big balloon bubble. Looks like somebody got the point. What we need here is a plant expert, Vineria. These thorns will help her move across the board. And pretty soon, she's won the race. Bless you. Oh, wow! You made pink slime! Ooh, this unicorn can make blue slime and toppings. Why don't we mix it together? Yeah, really get in there. Uh-oh, it's a regular tug of war. We should separate you two. At least you've got facials. Ugh, what's that awful smell? Hey, it's your toy. Let's give him something to fix him up. Some powder, water, and a nice shake. Yeah, that should help clear out his system.
Ew.
While we're at it, don't forget to wipe. Then again, it's a shame to let good slime go to waste. So, got anything good in the wastebasket? Well, it's slimy and stinky,
Ew.
like the last toy. What can we do with it? How about we grab the toilet? Now let's cover it up with all that slime. Let it sit for a while and peel it off. Now throw on some extra accessories. Wow! Who knew gold was contagious? Give us a wing. Remember, it never pays to cry over spilled slime. After all, it's much more fun to play with. And it's the perfect test subject for our new makeup. Just spread it around. Now, you could use some hair.
Ouch!
Like some eyebrows and eyelashes. Don't forget something for the lips. Well, as they say, beauty's fleeting. Of course, there are other ways to combine makeup and slime. Just smush it together at once. It's the direct approach. Pick the ones that smell the best. Once you're done, wrap it up together. It's a nice color, but now let's add some texture too. What we need is a fishnet wrap. Now start squeezing. You can't eat gold-plated apples. Well, I guess you've got teeth to spare. After all, you got enough for all that slime.
Wow!
Just save some for the tooth fairy. For something less drastic, let's try fake nails. Throw on some nail polish while we're at it. Now squeeze it all together. And don't forget to blow it dry. Feeling hungry? Let's order some lunch. It's a gummy bear, and it's a big one.
Nah.
No? Well, maybe we can make some adjustments. First, break it up into tiny pieces. Add some heat and melt it all up. Let's hope she likes sugar soup. It just needs a finishing touch. Now we've got fun food you can play with. Of course, it's still more fun to eat. Seems like you're looking for something sweet too. And what could be sweeter than Nutella? Add to a bowl. Throw in some marshmallows. Now add some chocolate powder and sugar. Get your hands in there and mix it up. The secret ingredient is elbow grease. Well, that and some decorative googly eyes. Oh, delicious! Just eat around the eyes. Ooh, these are special eggs. They've got slime inside. It's fun, but we can do better. Grab your favorite marker. Poke some ink into the slime. Now add some glitter. Knead it all together. And get stretching. Keep going until it all blends together. You know, it still pairs nicely with its old shell. Good unicorn. Dental hygiene's important. Hey, your drippings look like stars. What else can we add? How about earwax? Add some colored clay. Roll it up and flatten it down. Make a few more spheres in different colors. Pretty soon, you'll have your own solar system. Aw, what a cute little purse! And pretty gems. With their help, the slime will be fairest of all. Pretty or not, it's getting stretched. Remember, we can make all sorts of slime. And we can use all sorts of toppings. The important thing is squishing it together. The best part is that the mashing never has to stop. Next up, try some beads from an old necklace. Just make sure to keep a good slime to topping ratio.
Oh, cool.
I guess chocolate chips aren't just for cookies. Not that I couldn't go for a chocolate chip cookie. Let's throw in some chocolate powder too. Now you know that smells awesome! You can pretend it's your favorite latte. Don't forget the straw. Just don't actually drink it. Ooh, watermelon sand! Talk about happiness on a platter! You can slice it up like a cake. Guess you like your pieces extra small. Ooh, the hands-on approach! I wonder what we can do for fun. Anything in your purse? Ooh, slime! Just press on some cookie cutter stamps. Soon, you'll have a bunch of fun shapes. Aw, they're a bunch of little unicorns. Of course, they won't look like unicorns for much longer.